In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an arrow on TradingView. If you want a quick, clear way to highlight a price level, a breakout, or a key candle, an arrow is one of the simplest tools you can use. We'll keep this straightforward and make sure you know exactly where to click so your arrow lands right where you want it. Start by looking at the left side of your TradingView chart. You'll see a vertical toolbar with a stack of icons. Move your cursor over that toolbar and count down to the sixth icon from the top. Hovering over each icon briefly will show a small tooltip, which helps confirm you're in the right spot. When you're on the sixth icon, expand it to reveal its submenu. TradingView groups related drawing tools together, so expanding that icon is what brings up the arrow options. If it doesn't open right away, pause your cursor on the icon for a moment, and a little flyout menu will appear with the choices you need. Once that menu is open, you'll see different arrow options. Pick the arrow style that best fits how you want to mark your chart. The exact names of the options can vary, but the idea is the same. Choose the arrow that looks the way you want it to look. This selection tells TradingView which arrow you're going to place. Now, add the arrow to your chart with 2 precise clicks. Your first click sets the starting point. Think of this as the base or tail of the arrow, the place you're referencing on the chart. Position your cursor right on the candle, wick, or price level you want to highlight and click once. Then, move your cursor to where you want the arrow to point. Your second click sets the end point and direction, creating the arrow from the first point to the second. As soon as you click that second point, the arrow appears in place. That's it. 2 clicks, and you're done. If you're aiming for extra precision, take a moment to ensure your chart is at a comfortable zoom level before you click, so the first and second points land exactly where you intend. Also, make sure you're clicking on the chart area rather than the axes, so your arrow aligns with the price action you're highlighting. And that's all there is to it. Expand the sixth icon on the left toolbar, choose your arrow, click your first point, then your second point, and you're set. Simple, quick, and clear.